So here's the application that a user would use to create their customized hair products. I'm only dealing with shampoo for this prototype. And here is the robot that will create the customized shampoo based on answers the user will give us about their hair. And there are 3 components to my shampoo, but these formulas can be changed, obviously. And I'm dealing with Castile soap, water, and lavender essential oils. And here we have an API set up where it will essentially store all the data about each user that uses the application. Now, this would ideally be used as a vending machine, which we can stick in salons, maybe at airports or hotels, but the user would also have the ability to create their customized hair products online. So we can begin. We'll start off with our age. We'll say 46. Hair texture. Spiral. How long is your hair? 5 to 8 inches. How would you classify your hair? We'll say dry. And then we can enter in a zip code. And this is essentially going to help us out with values such as humidity, and we can personalize these the hair care, the hair product for you. We'll go ahead and send that, and you'll see the shampoo has been made. All you have to do is shake and enjoy. And if I go ahead and reload this API, we'll see ID of 15, age 46, hair texture spiral, 5 to 8 inches hair length. All the information about that user is now stored for us, so we can access that later as well. So here's a prototype of the IoT device. You can see here it consists of a proximity sensor. We have our spout. Up above you can see that there is a pump, which is going to push the product through to the spout. And then we have a water level sensor, which will determine exactly how much product is inside the container at all times. If we go to the computer, we can see that this is outputting every second what the levels are in the container. We get an exact percentage as well, and we also get a timestamp. And so essentially what this helps us do is determine how frequently the user is using the product, whether they're not using it at all, and based on that we can give them recommendations on new products to use, or maybe have them fill out a questionnaire to determine maybe if there's something on our end that we're not doing right, and we can fix that for them. To activate the IoT device, simply put your hand in front or put some type of object, and the product will dispense. And you'll see the value also changes over here. So now we're at 25% full. And if we dispense everything, you'll see that our shampoo level is now empty, it's 0% full, and it says time to get a refill.